how to link Chime account to Zelle. First things first, for this to work, you will need to grab your physical Chime bank debit card. Got it ready? Perfect. Let's jump right into the app. Go ahead and open up the Zelle app on your phone. Right here on the main screen, enter your mobile number and then tap Sign In right at the bottom. Next, you'll see a quick privacy and security screen. Just check that little box at the bottom to agree to the terms and hit Continue. Alright, here is where everyone gets stuck. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in Chime. Like we talked about, it's going to say it can't find your bank. No big deal, just tap that big purple button that says Don't see your bank. Now, type in your email address and hit Continue. Zelle's going to send a quick verification code to that email to keep things secure. Pop over to your inbox, copy that 6-digit code, paste it right here, and tap Enter. We are almost there. Now we just need to add your Chime card. You have two choices here. You can tap the little camera icon at the top right to take a quick photo of your card, and it'll automatically fill in all the blanks for you. If you prefer doing it old school, you can just type it in manually. Just enter your debit card number, your first name, last name, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Once that's filled out, hit Continue. Last step, enter your billing address right here. Your street address, apartment or suite number, zip code, city, and state. Make sure this matches the address attached to your Chime account. Tap Continue at the bottom, and boom, your Chime bank debit card is officially linked to Zelle. You are good to go. Now that your Chime is all set up, you might also want to know how to move money into it from your other apps. Click right here on my step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime using both instant and standard methods. See you there.